What a gorgeous Houston high-rise. Hey guys, this is the Cortland Museum District Penthouse apartment in Houston, Texas. The Cortland Penthouse apartment in Houston, Texas. Wow, I mean, it's just phenomenal. This is the one bedroom and it is gorgeous. I mean, look at this floor-to-ceiling windows, and it really is floor-to-ceiling. There is just some shades that are up there just covering the very tops, but you literally have floor-to-ceiling windows with some absolutely fantastic views. I mean, look at that. You've got that just that beautiful downtown view just right over there. You're really close to downtown living here at the Cortland. I mean, look at this space here. It's just gorgeous. I mean, it's got a huge kitchen. This can be a great entertaining kitchen for you with that huge, massive island. Probably, I don't know, 12 feet or so more. Really nice size island. You've got beautiful appliances, lots of cabinet space. So you're gonna be, oh, and then you have gas appliances too. So you're gonna be able to entertain in style. When your friends or business associates come, they see these views, they're gonna absolutely love it. So I know they're gonna love it because I love it. I just walked in, I'm like, wow, this is phenomenal. The floors are kind of pretty too. They're kind of a natural looking kind of wood. There's a lot of lighting here too. This is a really, really pretty one bedroom penthouse. We're gonna walk around, do maybe a little bit more, maybe go in the bedroom in the second video, but man, I sure love this. I hope you love this too. If you're ready for this gorgeous Houston penthouse experience, I want you to text me. I want you to send me a number, send me a text to my number below. Just say, hey Grant, I'm loving it. I want to get some more information, maybe set up a tour with that virtual FaceTime or even live. I'll help you right away. It's always 100% free service. Hey, let's go to the next video and we're gonna go check out the bedroom and the bath.